So we got done with work a little early, right, Red? He's out here helping me. Gonna let these feisty girls out. All right, I hear ya. I hear ya. Come on out, enjoy the beautiful day. Oh, did mommy drop some oats there earlier? Okay, get those. Gonna do a little bit of planting, get some stuff out of the greenhouse. Like I said, go through some seeds and see where we're at. Some of the stuff needs to come out, like this Swiss chard. This week, I think we're all in the 50s for a low, and I think we'll have one night of 40s. What is that? Mango. What is that? I don't even know what I have here. Get those out of there. So I took, this is all speckled bib lettuce. Some of these are getting really big, so I'm gonna plant these in here. Swiss chard is gonna go in the raised garden over there. These orange hat tomatoes are probably ready to go. These are these new chocolate sunflowers from Baker Creek. That was supposed to be a cauliflower. That's totally bok choy. Not sure what happened. Their zinnias are looking good. Calendulas are looking good. So I'll probably plant those somewhere to get them going. I also noticed my little starfruit tree here needs major pruning here. And I've got some maters right there and right there that look like they are ready to be harvested here pretty soon. They're definitely changing color. These ones here, if anybody can leave me some information, to me they look pretty good. They're still slightly firm. This one is supposedly indigo rose tomato. I've never grown this variety. This one was supposed to be a goldenberry tomato. Let me get that out of the way. Where is it? Right here, goldenberry tomato. That's obviously not. It looks a little more dark and velvety than this one, so I'm not 100% sure what one that is. I've watched a couple things and they've said these will actually like turn, the green will turn like a red, but it all depends on if you're in sun or shade. So if anybody knows, please leave me some information, because I'm definitely getting mixed reviews on when to pick them. I've picked a couple and bit them and they were completely bitter and disgusting. So I'm hoping that that's not the flavor of them. So yeah, but anyways, I do have a pumpkin here that I went ahead and fertilized. And I've got a couple more little tomatoes to pick there and there. There's some. And then I have another pumpkin, I don't know if it took, right here. I am starting to get male flowers, but oddly enough, the male flowers came after the female flowers. There's some more little baby maters. Love them, love this time of the year. Here's another indigo rose blooming and such, but I'll do a full garden tour. Today's more about planting these things. You can tell we're getting hot because my bok choy is bolting. So I gotta get some of this stuff in the ground. Oh, this one's bolting too. Jeez. Leaving that for the pollinators though. All right, I'm gonna get these watered and get started. All right, so that just kind of blew up in my face. Work just exploded, so it's a little bit while later. The sun is not out anymore. It's definitely not as pretty, but we're caught up now. And we're gonna get started with the Swiss chard. So here we go. They look so beautiful. These are probably about Really? Now my neighbor's gonna start with a leaf blower. I have an obsessive leaf blower neighbor. Do any of you have one of those? Because he's probably hear him in almost every video. Anyways, these are about a month old, maybe 3 weeks. So this is a rainbow Swiss chard. And what I did is I planted them like about halfway, half soil, because they get kind of really leggy, the seedlings do. And then I went back as they got taller and I filled them so the soil comes right to like the root line. And I noticed, like, see how much stronger, and this one's like super strong. These are a little less strong. So when I plant them in here, I'm gonna plant them even a little bit lower so they're still right at the soil line and they're not doing the whole little toddler waddle thing. So let's get started. So I really jinxed myself and got even more work phone calls, so it's even later, but I did get everything planted in. So let me show you. All right, here's a few of the plants here. I have 3 in here, and I put some biotone in there, and I don't think I have any more on this one. I have 2 in here. Got radishes in here. I have more Swiss chard in here, which I'm pretty sure I planted radishes there, but now we'll have Swiss chard. Carrots. Slow bolt cilantro should be here. It's not popping up yet. Where else did I plant some? Everything's getting pretty full. I gotta do a garden tour. Oh, I guess I was supposed to plant 2 here. So let me go see what else I can find to put in there, because I have 2 more spots. A little greenhouse update. In here I have a bunch of new stuff I got from Baker Creek, a habanada pepper, a bunch of other peppers, some corn. Nothing's really sticking up yet. More wasabi radishes are doing good. Those are more lettuces. I don't know why I plant so many, but we have so many already. Oh, those are coming up. Those are the tiger melons. That's a kajari. Down here, these are a Thai long bean. They almost look like the dragon tongue, but they're a long bean, and long beans do really great here. This is a royal bush bean and dragon tongue. I need to get a little more moisture on that one. Marigolds. What are you? A little bit. So these are marigolds I planted from a seed head from my stuff last year. I got the big ones. I didn't realize marigolds got that big. And in here I replanted some onions from seed. I'm gonna wait for them to get a little bit bigger and plant those out, since the squirrels pretty much dug up everything that was even remotely coming up. And then more radishes down here on the bottom. My husband loves radishes, so I try to plant them in a succession planting method. All right, I think I have everything where I'm going to put stuff now. I took these out of the greenhouse. I was gonna plant them. I just am not right this moment, but it's kind of windy right now, so I'm gonna leave these out and get these some strength, so they'll start to stand up a little bit more. I put some lettuce in here and a mustard kale. I put a couple things back in the greenhouse, but I'm leaving it open because we're supposed to be getting some pretty nice temperatures this week. Planted, oh, look at my little hunter back there. I planted some more mustard kale here, and then actually I was gonna get those Thai long beans out. I'll put those here as well and get those going again. This pumpkin vine is taking over. But I have some long beans here starting, so I want to get those in place. I didn't put anything else, I don't think, in here. No, I didn't. I put a squirrel dug a hole in here today, so I went ahead and put a speckled bib there. And again, these were just been sitting in the greenhouse, so they need air to get them going and get them strong and stand up, and this is because of this beauty. This is what kind of gave me the idea to plug them in wherever I can, is because this kind of volunteered here. And look at, it's amazing. This is a red Russian kale. And then of course I have my stuff in here, and yeah, I'll water all this stuff in, plant it down, pack it down, and then I will probably do a garden tour here in the next couple days after I clean up and get things kind of established a little bit more, and we'll see what's going on. So, oh, there goes my squirrel chaser. We'll wrap it up by saying ta-ta to the girls. Say thanks for watching. See you next time.